Okay, so this is continuation from the part 1. You can publish this video using Katia video recorder, but then this it will take much gigabyte of video, so you can use a screencast-o-matic like that I use. So it's easier if you record the video to the screens. Okay, so let's look about the more tools that can be used. First is analyze tools. Let's see, this is published in simulations image. Okay, so let's look simulations. So this simulation that we looked just now, if we select this, it will create another more simulation under the simulation history tree. Flash, if we click apply, so it will show that it will inspect our product, is it in flash or in contact. Okay, next look. So if we unhide this, so it will be repeating the same. This is flash and analysis. So the importance of this DMU Kinematic is you can do kinematics, that is to animate your product straight away from DMU Kinematics. Okay, so from the DMU Kinematics we'll do it one by one. So start for the base, we fix it, so it is fixed, then simply put commands and joins. First you pick joins and then click commands. So join that we have create is rewarded. So the command is angle driven. If we expand this, so this is the command, the angle driven. So that's all for the DMU Kinematics. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum.